Hello, crafters. This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse. Open me last. Yeah, we're getting close to 24. We're now on day 22 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar, and there is the last day. This is going to be bittersweet right here. But let's go into day 22. On the 22nd day of Christmas, my true love gave to me some more confetti in a very pretty pinky peachy colorway. Oh, I'm loving this. Let's take a look at my example. This is so super pretty. Here is my December 22nd example. It's a 5x7 shaker card. And this is a colorway that I have never used, but I'm liking it. It's a peach, brown, tan with a splash of yellow colorway. So this little confetti, which I'm now calling funfetti, this little funfetti sequence led to all of this. So let's take a closer look. This sheet of pattern paper here behind all this shaker goodness is what inspired everything else along with this. Based on this beautiful peachy color, and I'm glad that I'm filming now with good sun, not too much sun, so you can see how the colors are working. This is all Spellbinders cardstock. This pattern paper is Spellbinders as well. Let's talk about the colors that I used. Peach Sorbet, Barely Peach for my flower, Timber, Portobello, that light khaki brown. This is cardstock from my stash with a little bit of glossy accent on top. Everything else, though, is Spellbinders. And here, this is bisque cotton card again with the bark Better Press ink. I'm going to detail and link everything below because I put a whole lot of stuff in this little card. Oh, from this. It's so crazy. I know. I am really stretching a whole bunch of supplies. Yeah, we're going to go over this shortly to make this card. So in here with my beautiful peach shaker bits, I have some gold sparkle. I picked that up in the craft store. Some brown shaker bits. So it's all sequins, brown sequins, gold sequins, and the peach here, the funfetti. The pattern paper in the back comes from this 6x6 paper pad, Butterfly Sparkle. I'm not sure if this card kit is in stock at Spellbinders anymore. So this was one of those beautiful full-size card making kits. That's the sheet of paper that I used in here, okay? See how it picks up those colors, the peaches, the yellows, and that touch of brown? So this also inspired these leaves. Love that. The main flower here in the middle, that's the Sunflower Serenade die, and it's only one flower. I love this die set so much. Yeah, it's a good one. You've seen it before on this Better Press of the Month, maybe a month or two ago. So here it is in pink. Now it's in Barely Peach. Look how pretty this is. And all you do is cut this twice, then you stagger it, and you get this beautiful flower. Love it. Love it here, loving it here too, and of course as a sunflower. But when you change the colorway, then it just becomes like a pretty daisy type instead of just always being a sunflower. So that's a winner right there. And this center, that's fun too. So you get to use two different colors here. I'm using Latte and Timber as well. All right, so that's the Sunflower Serenade die. Up next, these leaves that's giving the shape. That's from this. This is a stitch die of the month, Enchanted Stitched Mushrooms. All I'm using is this die right here. But look how it goes so well with this. I'm really shopping my stash, stretching my stash, and creating, I guess, like a new floral because I'm using two other die sets to do this little collage right here. So this one I'm using from the Enchanted Stitch Mushrooms. This one now, Christmas Bird. This is currently on sale. This might be on sale. I think I saw this too. I'll note it in the description box below where I put the links for everything. In front of the words, I'll put little parentheses and I'll put the word sale. I know this is definitely on sale. I think I saw this too. So I'll put that and I'll put it here on the screen as well. Right now, Spellbinders is having the holiday sale and it's a good one. It's 50% off, but there's a lot of new items like this. My mind is saying I saw this, so I think this really is in the sale. Christmas Bird, half off. Christmas Bird, all I used out of this beauty is this one. Usually I'm using everything out of it. If you watched my holiday sale video, which I will link here, I showed you so many examples of using this, especially my favorite is the poinsettia. But in this case, I took everything out and just used this right here in that same Portobello cardstock. So I'm using that, which is now taking it into an all year foliage. Then I came into this one, Make It Merry Florals, also on sale. And I'm only using this. So now I am really shopping my stash. Why am I going into so many die sets? For fun. I've never really played this way. I don't know. I was just in a mood. This little thing inspired. It's like, where do I go with just some confetti? Here. So if you're inspired by what you're seeing here, maybe shop some of your stash because there are little bits in all of these florals. This one, that's what you see here with the yellow on top, and that's that piece there. So Make It Merry Floral, another favorite of mine, it's on sale. There it is in here. That little touch of yellow that comes back to that yellow. Also, my sentiment. I showed you guys this. I love Sentiments of Wonder. I showed it to you in the December 21st example, a little sentiment here. Even though this is a smaller card, this is a big card, I think it works fabulously here as well. Same bisque cotton card with the same bark Better Press ink. That's from the Regal Tones set. It's a 4-pack of ink. I love Better Press. Better Press is so, yeah. That's why it won Best in Show when they first introduced it at a craft convention. Yeah, Best in Show, this one. Beat out everything. So it's a winner. Better Press is a winner. I did Sending Good Thoughts Your Way. That's right here. Notice I have my little notes. That's how I can find it. If you get the stamped version, which I did mention in yesterday's video, you'd have to get this set if you want to get the coordinating die, okay? Next, another past Kit Club item. This one, a lovely winner. This is just from last month. Crisscross motif. That's this beauty right here. I showed it to you here on last month's Kit Club video. And if you are new to my channel and you're seeing this for the first time, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe. Here is the same Sentiments of Wonder. This is Pebble Cotton card with black Better Press ink. And then here it is now with the bark. See how it just adds that touch? But here, that's that embossing folder. Using just a piece of it here for this little vase, and then over here for this card. I love this one. So this would be a past Kit Club item now, but she is a winner. If your budget is crazy tight, create an account at Spellbinders. Put this in your wish list. You can only purchase this at Spellbinders, but look at all these cards. This could be a great birthday card. Same thing with this one. And lastly, to cut out my oval, I'm using postage edge ovals, the largest one. So I have the piece that I cut out of here with the dot detail in my scraps to use on another card. So I just wanted a big enough oval here to then build my shaker. I'm using scrapbook.com 1/4 inch foam tape, the necessary height to do all of this shaky goodness. So much fun. And then I finished off my card with Pink Fresh Studio clear drops. I love these clear drops. This color is called Champagne. They have a whole line of them. First color I picked, you know, curious, I'll try a pack, was the Champagne. Now, yes, I'm collecting most of the colors, but I really still love the Champagne. Alrighty, crafters, everything detailed and listed below. Don't forget to check out this holiday sale. It's a winner. I mean, there's so many goodies in that sale. If you watch my video, it's not a short video, but my goodness, it's loaded with lots and lots of crafty goodies that you might want to add to your crafty stash because it's new stuff too. Until December 23rd, stay crafty, my friends. Happy holidays. I hope you guys are enjoying your crafty shopping. Try not to get too angry out on the road because it's getting crazy hectic out there too. I was out there yesterday and I was out there earlier as well. Wow. Stay crafty, my friends. Think happy thoughts. Craft when you get stressed. Bye.